Hi, I'm Candy Barone, CEO and founder of You Empowered Strong, and I'm a leadership development expert. I just finished Quantum Trainer, and let me tell you, it is one of the most amazing. I just can't even tell you enough about this program. It was absolutely one of the most robust, no, let me rephrase that. It was the most robust training program I've ever been part of. Colin Sprake actually delivers everything and 10 times more than what he says. I took away an entire program, system really, that I can implement that's going to 10x my business. I cannot recommend Quantum Trainer enough. You get the soup to nuts, A to Z, inside, outside, upside down, every way you can imagine, everything that you could possibly need to build a speaker training business, and to have the systems and processes behind it. He shares so graciously, unlike any other trainer I've ever known, and I plan to implement some things that are truly going to up-level my business in the next 90 days with an event that I'm running, among some other things. And so all I can say is sign up, register, get out here. If you are a serious business owner, if you're a serious entrepreneur that wants to really create impact in your business, then your heart needs to be in a seat for the next Quantum Trainer. We will see you there.